forgot about my responsibilities. I was just having so much fun. Hey guys, so my name is Samantha Tan and I go very fast in circles for a living. I am a professional race car driver. I race a BMW M4 GT4 and I also own my own race team called Samantha Tan Racing. Starting the race soon in about, I don't know what time it is actually. My ultimate goal is to be the first Asian woman to win Le Mans, which is basically the pinnacle of endurance racing. It's kind of like the Olympics, you know, for athletes. I know I've grown up through the industry with an amazing, amazing support system, and I want to also help provide that for other kids. The racing industry in general is just very mentally taxing and cutthroat industry, so one day I hope to have a program to also help young kids getting into the sport, and you know, I want to help pave the way for those who are denied opportunity based on their gender or ethnicity. My favorite part of the day is surprise. Anytime I'm on track, anytime I'm in the car. Yesterday even was a full day of practice and that was optional, like it didn't really count for anything, and I'm pretty sure I was the person who did the most laps that day. I was out the entire day doing laps, giving rides, and totally forgot about my responsibilities. I was just having so much fun. Good morning. It is 7:30 a.m. Still kind of waking up, but I'm gonna do my makeup and head to the track. Couple sprays and we're good to go. Got my bag. We're gonna head to the track. So we are currently here in Florida, competing in the 24-hour Sebring this weekend, which yes is a 24-hour race, but it's not all just me. I have 4 other incredible co-drivers, John, Nick, Chandler, and Bryson. They red flagged the race because of dangerous conditions, because it's raining out here. I finished my last stint around 3 a.m. this morning, so got myself a little bit of sleep, but I don't know if I'm hopping back in the car just because of this red flag situation. We're sitting 3rd right now, so we're looking good to clinch the championship. Workday is done and I can finally relax, play some video games, cook myself a nice meal.